Hello everybody and welcome to bellscb. Got a tune-up report today on the RCI-2970N4. This is for Jose here in Florida. Alright, let's start. We have an amplifier switch on the back, so let me turn that off and I'll put in a 50 watt slug up here. Alright, let's stick it on. I've got the mic gain on 0. Got the tone generator plugged in but no mic gain, so we look at the carrier level first. Over here, so we're looking at about half a watt there all the way down. If I turn it all the way up, we're looking at about 3.5 there. Alright, now peak power over here, I got a 50 watt slug, so that's 10, 20, 30 right there. I'm going to turn the audio up. Okay, so we're looking at with it on low power, high power. All right, yeah, about 16 right there. Okay. Now on sideband, I didn't set up a two-tone generator. Let me just give you audio freak for sideband right now. Alright, so for sideband audio, a little over 30 there, audio, check, a nice waveform. Okay, and all the way down on sideband, audio, about 18, audio, check, audio. Okay. We've seen what we got to see there. Let me kick the amplifier on now. And we'll take this out and put in that 500 slug. I'm going to stick this guy on a 100 watt scale on the top. All right. So, doing all this one-handed. We're going to inject again the tone. That's the power all the way down, and that's the power all the way up, all the way down, all the way up. What we're concerned with is the crossing there. Oops. Okay. All the way down, all the way up. And I was asked to show my mic gain during this. The mic gain is maximum. Okay. So what we're looking at there, about 350, 360. Back to the carrier again. Here's a 100 watt scale over here. 100 watts all the way up. 10 watts all the way down. Inject the audio. My peak power when it's all the way down is about 110. Peak power all the way up about 360. All right, that's our AM. Again, I'm going to give it voice frequency for sideband. And sideband audio, check. Audio. About 430 there. Okay, and all the way down. Audio. About 3.25. Alright. Did we get everything? All the way down, all the way up. Sideband AM. Guess we got everything. And you've been listening to it. Audio, check. From the talkback that we put in, there's a switch for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes off. All right, what's to show you next? I guess just put it on here. How about at 15? Anybody out there give me a radio check? Hello, come in. Yeah. Breaker 19 for a radio check.
Yeah, go ahead, Charlie.
Yeah, is this radio sound okay to you out there? Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. You copy me okay over there, buddy? I see your team, but you're not saying nothing. Well, that's a radio check on bad. Anybody else give me a radio check? Hello, come in.
Loud and clear, driver.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.